Hey everyone, thanks for joining us today. We've got an inspiring session lined up, especially for those living and breathing telematics. We all know that handling massive data streams from GPS trackers, dashcams, and vehicle sensors can be a real challenge, right? Well, that's where Navixy's IoT logic comes in. And today, I want to explain how it makes life so much easier. When pulling data from a vehicle's GPS or sensors, you're dealing with different devices, each sending data in its own format. Whether using Navixy's native apps or building custom apps on top of the platform, you need that raw data processed to use it. Navixy's IoT logic can do wonders here. It doesn't just collect and parse data from these devices, it also offers an intuitive visual flow system and a powerful expression language to transform that raw data into something useful. You can enrich and standardize the data on the fly, regardless of the devices you're using, making it more accessible and ready for your apps. Long story short, IoT logic simplifies data processing and analysis, preparing it in a format that works across any GPS trackers or sensors you have. And the best part? It's a no-code solution, so you don't need extensive coding expertise to use it. Now let's take a closer look at how it all works. The heart of Navixy's IoT logic is a powerful and intuitive flowchart model for data transformation. The visual approach to data processing allows users to architect complex data pipelines with ease, turning raw device data into more meaningful, structured information. The flowchart consists of interconnected nodes, each representing a specific data operation or transformation. Today, we're focusing on the cornerstone of this system, the initiate attribute node. It's a versatile tool that allows you to define and manipulate data attributes using a robust expression language. Using the initiate attribute node, you can create new data entries, transform existing data through custom formulas, and combine information from multiple sources. As you'd expect from a potent data processing system, IoT logic excels at handling simple transformations and intricate cascading calculations without requiring much coding from your side. By chaining these nodes together, you can break down complex data processing tasks into a series of manageable steps, making it possible to build sophisticated data pipelines using a visual, low-code approach. To make it clearer, let's walk through this diagram, demonstrating how easy it is to perform data manipulation using our initiate attribute feature. Here on the left are our data sources, GPS trackers and dashcams. These might be any devices integrated with Navixy. But for clarity, we're talking about specific protocols like QClink Track for GPS and Jimmy for dashcams. Regardless of the source, data flows into our initiate attribute nodes. As mentioned, they allow you to create new data points, transform existing ones, or combine information from multiple sources. It's also important to note that these nodes can be chained together. This chaining breaks down complex data manipulations into simple steps. Let's now look at the destination of this processed data. It can be either Navixy's native apps or your own custom applications, giving you ultimate flexibility in how to use your transformed data. Another component of IoT logic's success we mentioned is the expression language. IoT logic expression language is based on 𝗖cie, Java Expression Language, a powerful tool that's particularly useful for non-professionals looking to implement low-code solutions. 𝗖cie offers several benefits. Simplicity. It uses straightforward syntax that's easy to learn and read. Flexibility. 𝗖cie can handle a wide range of operations, from basic arithmetic to complex logical expressions. Integration. It seamlessly integrates with Java objects, making it a natural fix for the Navixy platform. For those new to coding, 𝗖cie provides a gentle learning curve while offering the power to perform complex data manipulations. This makes it an ideal choice for IoT logic, allowing users to create sophisticated data transformations without the need for full-fledged programming skills. Let's take a closer look at how IoT logic handles data streams from devices. See the image on the slide. Imagine a constantly updating timeline of sensor readings. As new messages arrive, they populate our data frame with actual values or null if no data is received. Here's the key. We maintain a historical record of up to 12 readings for each parameter. Notice how in this example we have GPS speed and cargo temp. The cargo temperature shows an interesting pattern. See that null value? This is where the expression language demonstrates its versatility. By using different validation flags, we can either include or exclude these null values in our calculations. For instance, value cargo temp 1 all would give us null, while value cargo temp 1 valid returns 4.6. This flexibility allows you to handle missing data elegantly, ensuring your analyses and transformations are robust and accurate. Now let's get into where Navixy's IoT logic truly excels: real-world applications. From basic unit conversions to complex data synchronization and trend analysis, I've got real examples to show how it can boost your IoT data in various scenarios. First up, let's look at a basic temperature conversion. With a simple expression, we're converting Celsius to Fahrenheit on the fly. Easy, right? Moving on to something a bit more complex, ever dealt with a CAN bus data? It can be a bit cryptic, but with IoT logic, we can turn binary data into clear, human-readable information in just one line. Imagine how useful this is for your apps and reports. Now, here's a common challenge: synchronizing data from sensors with different reporting frequencies. IoT logic has an elegant solution for this too. We can ensure every GPS point has a fuel level value, even if your fuel sensor is a bit slower than GPS. Let's get a bit more advanced. Want to calculate acceleration? No problem. We've got an expression that gives you the rate of change in speed per second. Lastly, creating a simple moving average is a breeze. We can average the temperature over the last 3 readings, helping you spot trends more easily. These are just a few examples of what you can do. The beauty is in how these simple expressions can handle complex tasks. And when you start combining these techniques in your data flows, the possibilities are really endless. To wrap things up, let's recap what we've covered. Navixy's IoT logic is a game-changer in telematics data processing. It combines visual flowcharts with historical data access, transforming raw data into insights you can actually use. We've highlighted the initiate attribute node, which is key to boosting the value of your IoT data. The beauty of this system? It's no code. That means whether you're a coding wizard or just starting out, you can handle complex data manipulation with ease. At Navixy, we're on a mission to democratize telematics, and IoT logic is a big part of that. It's helping businesses of all sizes get the most out of their location and vehicle data. As IoT continues to grow, tools like this are putting the power of data-driven decisions into everyone's hands. Thanks for joining us today.